Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can generate full-length AI songs using Suno AI, one of the coolest AI music tools out there right now. Let's get started and turn your ideas into real songs. You can first head over to Suno AI. You can go to this page, suno.com, and this is where all the magic happens. So you'll need to sign in with your Google or Discord account. And once you are in, you'll see this page right here. You can skip this part. So Suno give you a few free generations each day. But if you want to make longer or more songs, you can check out their paid plans later. So now you can just write your song prompt. In the text box in here, type what kind of song you want. So for example, I'm going to give this one a cinematic track with epic orchestra vibes. So you can choose whether it's instrumental lyrics or with audio, and also the inspirations in here. And after that, you can just click on create. You can also include lyrics if you want to give the AI more directions, or leave it blank to let Suno write its own lyrics. So in just a few moments, Suno will generate your songs in here. And if you want full songs of this one, you need to click on upgrade for a full song in here. And then you can join the Suno Pro feature. So once your song is ready, you can download it as MP3. Here, you can click on this three dots icon and go to download. You can also share it directly with friends or even remix it to change the mood, lyrics, or vocal style. This one, remix or edit. So that's it. That's how you can generate full-length AI songs with Suno AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.